In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Trading 212, a popular trading platform. Knowing how to change the currency setting can be quite useful, especially if you're working in different regions or just want to keep your account consistent with your local currency for easier tracking and analysis. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll need to access the Trading 212 platform by going to apptrading212.com. It's essential to ensure you have your login details handy, as you'll need to log into your account to make any changes. Once you're on the website, input your credentials and sign in. After logging in, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. There, you'll notice a small icon resembling three horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu or hamburger icon. Click on this icon to open up the main navigation menu. With the navigation menu now open, take a moment to scroll down to further explore your options. It may take a few seconds to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not accustomed to using it often. Your next step is to look for the Settings option. This is typically located in the menu after some scrolling. Click on Settings, which will take you to another menu where you can adjust various preferences related to your Trading 212 account. Once you're inside the settings, continue scrolling down. Patience is key here as you navigate through the options until you come across the Reset Account feature. It's important to note that this doesn't mean your entire account will be erased. This option is about resetting specific settings, such as your currency preference. When you find Reset Account, click on it. This will reveal more detailed options pertinent to your account settings. Among these options, you should see one labeled Currency. Click on Currency, and this is where the magic happens. You'll now be given a list of available currencies to choose from. Take your time to explore these options. It's essential to select the currency that aligns with your financial planning and geographic region. Once you've made your choice, simply select the new currency from the list. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your currency setting in Trading 212. This change can aid you in managing your investments in a currency you're comfortable using. Remember, these changes can be done whenever necessary, so don't hesitate to revisit these steps if you need to adjust your settings again in the future. Thanks for joining and happy trading.